Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you how to clean out the bottom of your fridge without removing the entire thing. I looked up a bunch of YouTube videos and I only found where you have to remove that entire middle strip. This is a Samsung like RF28 something something. I'll put the description in the title. First thing you need is a flathead screwdriver, and on the right and left side are little clips, so you're going to use the screwdriver to push that in. It's a little difficult, so be patient, but then it pops right out. Now you're going to do the other side the same way, and you can use a small screwdriver to help, so you can use two screwdrivers and do like a chopstick motion, or you could do the one. Just be patient, try not to break anything. So it pops right out. And then now that you have your clips out, you're just going to slide underneath it and you're going to take the glass out. Be careful taking the glass out because they're expensive to replace. But yeah, once that glass is out, you're able to clean the entire bottom of your fridge with no trouble. Because my fridge was very close to the wall, I also had to take off the door. So I'm going to show you how I put the door back when this is over. So now when you're placing it back, you just slide in the glass again and you replace the clips just like normal. Then you can slide in the little compartments for the fresh fruit on the right and left side, and you don't have to worry about having a dirty fridge again. Cool. Now onto the door. So now you can see on the right side why I had to take the door off, because the fridge wouldn't open all the way. If your fridge is placed in a location that makes sense, you don't have to worry about this. But it's pretty easy. You just slide in the bottom and slide in the top. That little bar across the top is what keeps everything put. So you just slide it in and then you move up to the top and you adjust what you see fit over there. You're going to need someone to help you out, just because you're going to need to hold some parts. But here's a better view, so you slide it in, and once you get that in there, then you place the bar on the top to hold it in. I'm moving the bar out of the way so you can see. It's a bit of a difficult angle, but you can do it. If I could do it, you could definitely do it. Now, once the door is in place, you set the thingamabobber in the doohickey. The parts are pretty easy to see what fits where, and you just slide it in and make sure that it is secure. So you might have to fiddle around with it a little bit because it will have a certain position that it has to be in. It helps to take a picture beforehand of what everything looks like, just so you have an idea of what you're trying to get in the end. That's one mistake I made that I don't want you to make. To test that you did the right thing, you want to open and close the refrigerator door to make sure it's in its proper place. I had a little bit of a mishap. The door was not in place correctly and it fell, but peep the reflex. Okay. Now you slide it back in from the bottom and hook it into the top, and everything should be in place. And I haven't had any issues with the fridge door since then. This is a French door, so it opens up on both sides. So now the door is open, it's holding steady. You can try it again with closing and opening it. And then once that's done, you can replace the food items and everything else that was in your fridge. You can put the little holders back in the door for your condiments and other things. And that's pretty much all you do. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe. And there will be similar videos as I continue to be a 40-year-old dad stuck in a 25-year-old girl's body.